Welcome back again, everyone. This is Joel Broughton, and we're just back at easyinarticles.com in the members area here, and we're just going to do a few things together just to add to your account. And you can do this in some of the article sites, some of them you can't, but Easy in Articles, I'm going to go ahead and show you a few different things that we can do. So as you can see, we just posted our first article, How to Start an Online Home Business. It's still pending the initial review, and then of course it'll get posted. Article when it gets to here, okay, when the article is live. Like I said, as you post more and more articles, this process will happen a lot faster. If you want, you can view your article, edit it, delete it. I mean, obviously we're just going to leave it there. So coming into your account, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my profile manager, and I'm actually going to create a bio, and I'm going to add a photo. Okay, so I'm just going to go to enter author bio, all right, and I'm just going to put in a few different things here for my bio. As you can see, you can edit your social media URLs if you want to allow people to see your YouTube site or your Facebook or your LinkedIn. Also, you've got a blog URL, personal URL, business ones, okay. All I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to enter my author bio. You can add in this stuff if you like, but I'm just going to enter an author bio. I'm going to enter some keywords about myself. Okay, so I've added in for my bio. Joel Broughton is a full-time internet marketer and online business mentor. He has a straightforward, no-nonsense approach to training and mentoring. And then I put in quotes, I'll show you exactly what and how to implement the marketing strategies. It's up to you if you want to work or not. Okay. And then I put a few keywords in here: Facebook marketing expert, online home business mentor, hockey player, had to throw that in there, internet marketing coach, and data 4. Okay, and we're just going to save the changes. Okay, so now we've got our public bio, okay, and we're also going to add a picture. Okay, as always want to make sure that this is personal. People like to see you. People like to, see who they're dealing with and who they're working with. So I'm going to go ahead and add my picture. Okay, there we go. Current photo. All right. And we're done. Okay, so in the other video I showed you, that we have the author resource boxes. Obviously, so basically here we can have up to 3 more resource boxes for Joel Broughton, and basically what we want to do is we want to just save some of our favorite ones. Just saves us a little bit of time. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab the one that I just wrote, and I'm going to put it in here. Alright, so as you write ones, you can change them. I'm just going to put see, how to start a business. Okay, so I'm just going to name it whatever I want here. We're going to add a new resource box. So now basically when I go ahead and write another article, I can write a new resource box, or I can just select from that custom one, and I can kind of set up 3. Normally I just kind of set them up as I go. You don't need to set up new ones. You can edit them, and also, like I said, you could just keep a few custom ones. The ones you like are the ones that seem to be getting lots of clicks, okay, from your articles. So that's it. I mean, you can go through, and there's a few other things, you can kind of go through here. Right now we don't have any live articles, but that'll show you kind of like your live article listing. It'll also show you in here, you can see kind of hits on your articles and stuff like that as we go. Account status, don't worry about signing up for premium memberships. We could just do all this free. Author tools, there's a whole pile of different things in here, and resources that you can there we go. Article writing block, I already gave you tips on that. You don't need to use all these, but definitely, editorial guidelines, you may want to read through some of those. They talk about things like don't copy stuff from other people, terms of service, as in with all the free classified sites. When you're using these sites, you don't abuse them. That's not what they're here for. They're here for building a business long term. So don't break the terms of service and the guidelines and stuff like that. You can read through them there if you like. But that's basically the main things that I want you to do. Just make sure you set up you can set up some resource boxes, but set up your bio, set up your photo. So when you go ahead and publish those articles, your picture can be on there as well. If people go and look you up as an author of some of these articles, they can find out a little bit more about you. Okay, so that's it for kind of additional info. You can go ahead and as you go, just make sure the sites that you can upload pictures and little resource boxes, or sorry, not resource boxes, profiles and stuff like that. Do put them in there. It only takes you 2-3 minutes to do that, and you'll be able to get that personal information out a little bit more, connect with your readers more, and you'll end up increasing your conversions and stuff like that over time. All right, so that's it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.